Welcome! If you're looking to cut down your grocery bills, couponing is one of the smartest ways to save money. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of couponing, from finding the best deals to stacking discounts for maximum savings. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, you'll discover practical tips and strategies to help you save more every time you shop. Let's dive in and start your journey to smarter grocery shopping and bigger savings. Coupons are more than just little slips of paper or digital codes. They're powerful tools that can help you stretch your budget further. By using coupons, you can reduce your grocery expenses, try new products at a lower cost, and even stock up on essentials when prices are at their lowest. Couponing isn't just about saving a few cents. Over time, those savings really add up. Let's explore why couponing should be a regular part of your shopping routine. There are several types of coupons you'll encounter. Manufacturer coupons are issued by brands and can be used at most stores. Store coupons are offered by specific retailers and are only valid at their locations. Digital coupons are available through apps or store websites, while printable coupons can be found online and printed at home. Understanding these types helps you maximize your savings by combining different offers when possible. Finding coupons is easier than ever. Check your local newspaper for inserts, browse store websites, and use coupon apps for digital deals. Many brands offer coupons directly on their websites or through email newsletters. Don't forget to look for coupons on product, packaging, or in-store displays. With so many sources, you'll never run out of ways to save. Coupon apps have revolutionized the way we save. Popular apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, and Coupons.com make it simple to find, save, and redeem offers right from your phone. These apps often feature exclusive deals and cashback offers, allowing you to stack savings on top of traditional coupons. Download a few, explore their features, and see which ones work best for your shopping habits. Staying organized is key to successful couponing. Use a binder, envelope, or digital folder to keep your coupons sorted by category or expiration date. This makes it easy to find the right coupon when you need it and prevents you from missing out on savings due to expired offers. A little organization goes a long way in maximizing your grocery savings. Every store has its own coupon policy, so it's important to know the rules before you shop. Some stores allow you to stack manufacturer and store coupons, while others limit the number of coupons per transaction. Check your favorite store's website or ask customer service for their policy. Being informed helps you avoid surprises at checkout and ensures you get the most out of your coupons. One of the best ways to save is by stacking coupons. This means using a manufacturer coupon and a store coupon on the same item, or combining coupons with a sale price. Some stores also allow you to use digital and paper coupons together. Always check the store's policy and plan your shopping list to take advantage of these opportunities for extra savings. Timing is everything when it comes to couponing. Watch for weekly sales, holiday promotions, and clearance events to maximize your savings. Pair your coupons with these sales for the biggest discounts. Planning your shopping trips around these events can help you stock up on essentials when prices are at their lowest. A well-planned shopping list is essential for effective couponing. Start by reviewing your coupons and matching them to items on sale. Organize your list by store section to save time and avoid impulse purchases. This approach ensures you buy only what you need and make the most of your available discounts. Even experienced couponers can make mistakes. Common pitfalls include letting coupons expire, buying items you don't need just because you have a coupon, or missing out on better deals elsewhere. Stay focused on your needs, keep track of expiration dates, and always compare prices to ensure you're truly saving money. Many grocery stores offer loyalty programs that provide additional savings, exclusive coupons, and rewards points. Sign up for these programs to access member-only deals and personalized discounts. Combine loyalty rewards with coupons for even greater savings on your grocery bill. Some stores offer price matching, allowing you to get the lowest advertised price from competing retailers. Bring proof of the competitor's price and ask customer service if they'll match it. Combine price matching with coupons for unbeatable deals. Always check the store's policy to see what's allowed. If a sale item is out of stock, ask for a rain check. This allows you to purchase the item at the sale price when it's back in stock. You can often use your coupons with rain checks, ensuring you don't miss out on savings even if the shelves are empty during the sale. Cashback offers are a great way to earn money back on your purchases. Many coupon apps and store loyalty programs provide cash back on select items. Simply upload your receipt or link your account, and you'll receive money back after your purchase. Combine cash back with coupons for even more savings. Printable coupons are widely available online and can be a valuable addition to your savings strategy. Visit trusted coupon websites, print the offers you need, and bring them to the store. Always check the store's policy on printable coupons, as some may have restrictions or require the coupon to be printed in color. Digital coupons are easy to use and often linked directly to your store loyalty card or app. Browse available offers, click the ones you want, and they'll be automatically applied at checkout. Digital coupons are convenient and help you save without the need for paper. Rebates are another way to save, and they can often be combined with coupons for extra value. After purchasing an item, submit your receipt online or through an app to receive a rebate. This double-dipping strategy can lead to significant savings on your grocery bill. Don't limit yourself to one store. Different retailers offer unique sales and accept different coupons. By shopping at multiple stores, you can take advantage of the best deals each has to offer. Plan your trips efficiently to save time and maximize your savings. Buying in bulk can lead to big savings, especially when combined with coupons. Look for bulk deals on non-perishable items or products you use frequently. Make sure you have enough storage space and that you'll use the items before they expire. Bulk shopping is a great way to stock up and save. Always check the expiration dates on your coupons and the products you buy. Using expired coupons can lead to frustration at checkout, and buying expired products is wasteful. Stay organized and regularly review your coupons to ensure you're using them before they expire. Meal planning is a powerful way to save money and reduce food waste. Start by reviewing your coupons and sales flyers. Then plan your meals around the best deals. This approach ensures you're making the most of your discounts and helps you avoid last-minute, full-price purchases. Impulse purchases can quickly eat into your savings. Stick to your shopping list and avoid buying items just because you have a coupon. Focus on what you need and what's on sale, and you'll see your grocery bills drop while still enjoying great products. Don't overlook store brands. Many retailers offer coupons for their own products, which are often cheaper than name brands. Combine these coupons with sales for even bigger savings. Store brands can offer great quality at a lower price, helping you stretch your budget further. Shopping with family or friends can help you take advantage of bulk deals and share coupons. Coordinate your lists, split large packages, and swap coupons for items you don't need. Working together makes couponing more fun and helps everyone save. Deals and coupons change frequently, so it's important to stay updated. Subscribe to store newsletters, follow brands on social media, and check coupon websites regularly. Staying informed ensures you never miss out on the latest savings opportunities. Responsible couponing means following the rules and using coupons as intended. Never photocopy or alter coupons, and always respect store policies. Ethical couponing ensures that these savings tools remain available for everyone and helps maintain good relationships with your favorite stores. Tracking your savings can be motivating and help you see the impact of your efforts. Keep a simple spreadsheet or use an app to record how much you save each trip. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much you've kept in your pocket thanks to couponing. Couponing is a valuable life skill that you can share with your children. Involve them in clipping coupons, planning shopping trips, and comparing prices. Teaching kids about smart shopping habits early on helps them develop financial responsibility and an appreciation for saving money. Saving money doesn't mean sacrificing nutrition. Many brands offer coupons for healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Look for deals on fresh produce, organic products, and healthier options. With a little effort, you can eat well and save money at the same time. Coupons aren't just for groceries. You can find great deals on household items, personal care products, and cleaning supplies. Expand your couponing to these categories to save even more on your total shopping bill. Certain times of year offer unique couponing opportunities. Watch for back-to-school, holiday, and seasonal promotions when stores and brands release special coupons and sales. Plan your shopping around these events to take advantage of the best deals. Self-checkout lanes often accept both paper and digital coupons. Scan your coupons carefully and follow the on-screen instructions. If you have any issues, ask a store associate for help. Self-checkout can speed up your trip and make couponing even more convenient. Sometimes, a coupon may not scan or be accepted at checkout. Stay calm and politely ask the cashier to check the coupon's terms. If it's still rejected, don't be discouraged. There are always more deals to be found. Keep your receipts and contact customer service if you believe a coupon should have been accepted. Online couponing communities are great sources of tips, deal alerts, and support. Join forums, social media groups, or local clubs to share experiences and learn from others. Being part of a community can help you discover new strategies and stay motivated on your savings journey. Always read the fine print on your coupons. Pay attention to restrictions, such as product size, quantity limits, and expiration dates. Understanding the details ensures you use your coupons correctly and avoid disappointment at checkout. Online grocery shopping is more popular than ever, and many retailers accept digital coupons at checkout. Look for promo codes, digital offers, and cashback deals when shopping online. This approach saves you time and money, all from the comfort of your home. Some stores offer double coupon days, where the value of your coupons is doubled at checkout. Plan your shopping trips around these events to maximize your savings. Check your local store's schedule and bring your best coupons for the biggest discounts. Always keep your coupons handy when you shop. Use a small folder, envelope, or a dedicated app on your phone. Having your coupons accessible ensures you never miss an opportunity to save, even on unplanned purchases. Couponing can sometimes lead to extra items you don't need. Consider donating these products to local food banks or shelters. Your savings can help others in need, making couponing a rewarding experience beyond just saving money. Protect your coupons from damage by storing them in a safe, dry place. Use plastic sleeves, envelopes, or digital backups to prevent loss or wear. Keeping your coupons in good condition ensures they'll be accepted at checkout and ready when you need them. After each shopping trip, review your receipt to ensure all coupons were applied correctly. If you notice any discrepancies, contact customer service right away. Keeping track of your receipts also helps you monitor your savings and spot any missed opportunities. Take a moment to celebrate your couponing successes. Whether you've saved a few dollars or slashed your grocery bill in half, every bit counts. Share your achievements with family or friends and enjoy the satisfaction of smart shopping. Let's recap the key points. Find and organize your coupons, understand store policies, stack offers, and plan your shopping trips for maximum savings. Remember to use loyalty programs, track your progress, and stay updated on the latest deals. With these strategies, you'll become a couponing pro in no time. Now that you know how to coupon and save money on groceries, it's time to put these tips into action. Start small, stay organized, and watch your savings grow with every trip to the store. Happy couponing and happy saving!